Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be talking anything crypto on this channel. As you all know, that crypto is making waves all around the country, all around the world. People are trading, people are making money. And if you're just about the person who wants to be able to make money on crypto, you can tune into this channel. If you're not subscribed to this channel already, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos. You can also make comments, hit the notification bell so you can get more videos like this when I release them. Yes, so without much further ado, let's get into the business. Now, Binance is, an exchange that a lot of people are using all around the world to, make trades, to make profit. And as you can see, they have about 90 million trusted registered users. And one thing about Binance that you don't already know is Binance has one of the lowest transaction fee you can think of when you compare them to other exchanges like the KuCoin, like the Gate, and so many others. Binance happen to rank the lowest in terms of transaction fee. You can see, so it's a good platform where you can do so much already. Now, what I'm going to be showing us in this video is how we can register our account if you are not registered on Binance. And again, how you can deposit money into your account, so you can start trading on your first trade. All right, so let's continue now. For you to register your account, all you need to do is you come right here, click on the registration button right there. Once you click it, Binance brings this up for you. All right, so you can just click to sign up, use your email or your phone number, select any country you are in, any part of the world, and then you just put it there. But I'm in Nigeria, and that's why you're seeing this. I've already subscribed, I've already registered, so that's why my information is there already. And once you've done that, select the password that you can remember, click on this, and then you click on create personal account. Once you do that, you are good to go. Now I'm just going to log in because I already have an account with Binance. So let's just log in right now. Yeah, so I'm logging in my personal information already. Hit enter. Yeah, you can also log in with your Apple ID for those of us who have, for all your Apple lovers. Very easy for you to get your account. So I'm just going to get code. Once you've registered, obviously you're going to use your number as well, so you can get code to finalize your registration. So I'm getting my code right now from Binance. Yeah, I got it already. I'm putting it right there. Hit enter, submit. Okay, sorry, they sent me another one. Okay, yeah, I'm already in. Yeah, so this is how the interface looks like. You have so much to do. So there are some few things you need to do once you've registered your account. You also need to go and set up your payment option. So you need to go to your payment option, register your bank account information and all of that. You can see right here. Because I already have mine, that's why it's showing this. It's showing this already, but you might not need to do yours once you already registered. Another, you can see right here, when you click on this avatar right here, you can see that my account is verified because I've already completed my KYC and all of that. So I'm a trusted registered user on Binance. You can trust me when you want to trade. All right, so let's keep going. Now what we've done is we've been able to register already, and now the next thing you want to do is you want to deposit money into your account so you can start trading, right? Yeah, so the next thing you want to do is you want to come to buy crypto. You can go through this one on your own. You can go through this on your own once you've registered. And once again, if you're really not getting everything I'm saying, you can watch this video again to be able to understand it. And if you don't know how you can register, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video where you click on the link so it can bring you up right here, and then you can register. All right, so what you want to do right now is you want to click on buy crypto, because we want to deposit money into our crypto account. Now you have options right here. You can actually pay with your card, deposit. You can deposit. You can also use your debit card information. You can do P2P, which is what most people do as well. P2P. Let me just take them one after the other. You're depositing with your British pound sterling. I'm not in the UK, so I won't go for this option. I'm just going to close this. Another one you can do is to use your credit card information. All right, your credit card, buy crypto with debit or credit card. So now once you want to buy, you just click on buy. Select the currency you're using. Just select the currency you're using. All right, let me see. Okay, I'm in Nigeria, for example. I want to buy, say, 5,000 naira. Okay, the lowest is 9,000 naira. I want to buy 9,000 naira worth of BTC. No, I want to buy USDT actually. Let's assume I want to buy USDT. 9,000 naira worth of USDT. Remember, if you're using your credit card or debit card information, the lowest amount you can buy is 9,000 naira, and you're going to get 12.23 USDT. That's, yeah, once you do so. Now some people wouldn't like going for this, but some people would want to go for it for this option, because maybe to them it feels that it is safe and secured. But I won't go through this route. I would rather go through the P2P trading. This is the P2P right here. It's easier, and you can actually buy lower. I think the minimum you can buy is 4,000 naira, as you can see right here. This is 4,000 naira. This person is willing to sell at 4,000 naira to 50,000 naira. This same person is also ready and willing to sell at 4,000 naira to 6,000 naira. This person is willing to sell at 5,000 naira to 7,000 naira. So that's the beauty of P2P. Now, if I want to buy this now, this 4,000 naira, I could just click on buy USDT. It brings me right here. I want to pay 4,000 naira. You can see, so I don't need to pay 9,000 naira as when you're using your debit or credit card information. Let me see. So basically that's it. So 4,000 naira, and then I'm going to get 5 USDT. Once I do so, just click on buy and you're good to go. So this is the first step I'm going to be showing you guys. I've been able to show you guys how you can register. I've also been able to show you guys how you can, link your card information, to your bank. I've also been able to show you guys how you can, buy crypto with your, you can buy crypto with your debit card, P2P trading, or card deposit. But I'll prefer you guys always go for the P2P trading. Now, I've forgotten to show you something. Now, if you're going for P2P trading, you can see you have options. You have select the amount. Maybe you have a particular amount in mind you want to buy. Just click on the amount right here. You also have this fiat here right here. You can change it to any country where you are. Ghana, let me just say Ghana. This is Ghana's city right now. This is for Ghana. So you can just change the deposits, but I'm in Nigeria. I'll take Nigeria again. Just take NGN Nigeria again. So once you do that, you can also select any payment type you want, bank transfer. If you're selecting your country, the different banks in your country are going to be listed right here, and then you can use it. It's very easy. So it's pretty cool. I hope this video makes sense to you, and if you like this video, once again, please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, make comments, and I'm bringing you more interesting videos in the future. Thanks, guys.